Hi, hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about a new token. Its name is Serial Ape. It hasn't even launched, it is on DXL right now. And with that being said, please like the video, subscribe, don't forget the notifications, and let's get right into it. Okay, so just hopping onto their website over here on the serialape.com. You can see that it's coming soon. You can buy it on DXL. It's going to be on pre-sale. So for 1 BNB, you'll get SAPE tokens. Moving back to the website, scrolling a bit down on the automated rewards farming. SAPE is a cryptocurrency with built-in automated rewards farming, and it is like a casino. So just hold it in your wallet and watch your balance grow. Why SAPE section? With the understanding that it's drag proof due to burn of the liquidity pool tokens, you will also watch your balance grow to the new improved automatic farming technology. It has a well shock proof, no transaction sales can be larger than 1%, and wallets other than the exchange dev wallets hold more than 1%. And the casino ecosystem, it's under construction at the moment. They're currently raising money to develop a large online decentralized casino with a plethora of fun games. Here we can see a diagram on how the transaction on the 10% work, 5% distribution back, and 5% liquidity pool converted to BNB. I'm going to show you guys on how to buy SAPE later. So the tokenomics, you can see that 30% was burned, 9% going to the founders, 1% advisors, 10% marketing, 5% core team, 9% escrow, and 53% on the token sale. You can buy it on DXL, as I said before, with 1 BNB. They've only raised 1 BNB out of 200 BNB. The soft cap being 150 BNB and the hard cap 200 BNB. I also suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with 1000 members, as well as following them on Twitter. Checking the light paper over here, we can see all the legal stuff, the introduction to economics, the SAPE system. Okay, so the roadmap, project launch, Discord creation, they have already made that. Telegram website roadmap established. P20 minting, website launch, and the pre-sale on the 10th of June. So today it just started. Moving on to the second quarter, Pancake swap listing. I think after the pre-sale they will list it on Pancake swap. 1.5% burn, LP token burn, airdrop, CoinGecko listing, 5,000 holders, Whitebit listing, first token burn, 1%, 1.5% of the total supply, and 25 million market cap. On the third quarter CoinMarketCap listing, 10k holders, 50 million market cap, second token burn and token casino app, and CX listing, 20k holders, 150 million market cap, and the third token burn. We can meet the team as well over here, the co-founder, the CTO, and the head of graphics. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, as I've said. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. Flash out.